Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios. And if this is your first time, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Today, this is part 2 of our Canva introduction videos. I will link the other one down below. I'll also put it at the end if you'd like to go ahead and watch that first one, which is truly just an introduction. We do have a special link down below for our guests. If you click on that link right now through Christmas, they are offering a discounted rate. And it's a pretty good one. The nice part is you get access to thousands of things with the free version of this. So if you pay for the upgrade, you only get more. So today I had an email from someone who requested that I show a little bit more about how I can use the Canva product to make YouTube shorts. Now they're saying in 2023 that the YouTube shorts are going to be very popular. YouTube has kind of gone all in on these. You're going to be able to make money on them. You're going to be able to monetize. You're going to be able to, solicit your business, the whole bit. So there is a ton of things you're going to be able to do with these. Now, I know that I try to spend a lot of time coming up with video ideas, filming, creating, because again, with my company, Jessica Lynn Original Studios, I create all the art that I use for my stamps. I sell those. I also make cards with them. So my process starts even quite a few before we even get to the YouTube short, actually sharing that out and helping with my social media. So for me, it was worth it to upgrade Canva to the Pro plan because I can actually schedule these things to go out. So if I have an afternoon where maybe the kids are watching a movie or they're with their friends for maybe 2 or 3 hours, I can go in and actually set up quite a few shorts that'll automatically run for me. I don't have to worry about them once they're created. I do have a large calendar up on my wall, and I'll show it in a future video. It's pretty funny. I bought the wrong size, and this thing is like 24 by 12. It's huge. 18 by 24. It's ginormous. And I want to go through and make sure that I document on my calendar when these videos or these shorts are going to go live. I do that with every video that I do. I do that with all the shorts that I do as well. Because then if there's a way that I can kind of work all of my social media together, then it's one cohesive shout out, if you will, that we're giving to whomever is listening. So one of the tricks that I have is with the YouTube shorts is to actually go in and create a bunch of different projects. So let me show you what I mean. So let's say we're going to pick this one. Now again, I just typed in the search box once I was logged in, YouTube shorts. And look at all the templates they have available. And this is only a couple of them, right? So you have a lot to pick from. Now you might say, well, but then everybody's are going to look the same. They're not. You can actually tweak everything in this video. So let's click on this first one here. I really like this one. This is kind of fun. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to pop open a new window, and you can see this one actually, let's just hit play to see how it looks as is. So you can see there's some animated people in the middle. It flies out. They talk about this. There's some handshakes going on. The guy's watching that. And then they're actually getting to, work on the project, right? So again, you can adjust this. And you can change the colors, you can change the color scheme, you can change all the fonts, you can take things out. Again, you can click on any of these. So you see what I'm talking about? Like, you can take that out and then go, oh no, I want it back, and hit the back it up button. Okay? So again, you're not stuck with any of this. So let's go in and just create a couple of these. Let's see. Introduction to Canva. And let's just grab, I'm going to go over here to uploads. I'm going to see I already have the Canva logo in there. Let me just get that tossed in. I'm going to change the colors. And again, I clicked on that circle ring, Canva colors. I want it to match. And then we're going to do dark blue down there so it kind of matches. With this color, let me see if I can change these colors because I don't think I can. But that's okay because orange and blue are complementary colors if you are a color or an art person. So that means they are complementary on the color wheel. They're opposite of each other, which means they look good together. Let's go there. So we're going to tweak this. We're going to make that. All right. Now you might say, wait a minute, what am I going to do here? I'm going to leave this in the same position. So you can see I'm just tossing it in there. Because what I want to do is when it comes to... So I'm going to tweak this a little. Take that one out. So if you're like, what are you doing? I am going in and I am actually going to put the click here to view this. So think about like Instagram. I'll actually have that on Instagram that way. So let's change these to blue. That's kind of fun. And again, you know, this is all up to you. You can do whatever you want. You can do as little or as nothing. I'm actually going to take this out. Ooh, maybe I'll leave that one in as the blue. Maybe we'll do white. Yeah, that's better. And then up here, we'll change this text to black. So again, can you see how fast, if you are in the process of trying to share some shorts that look professional, now let's just look how this looks so far. Oh, gotta start at the beginning here. There we go. Again, look at how cool this looks. This is gonna be great now. Okay, I gotta get rid of him. Alright, so for this one, let's just see what I have available. Alright, let's go to elements. We're gonna go to videos, and we're gonna do person, computer. Alright, let's see. Who is frustrated? Let's find somebody who wants to learn Canva. Now, just so that you know, Canva is amazing if you're a college student or if you're in high school. This is an amazing product to use, but I'm sure a lot of high school kids and college kids know that. But it is a great tool for presentations, for PowerPoint, stuff like that. It is also great for your work or your small business. So I am a huge fan of it. Back in the day, you used to have to, you know, install software, wait for upgrades, blah, blah, blah. Not anymore. You can literally just go on this. And this is actually a URL or a browser. So you're actually working within the system. So the big thing that you want to remember is that you need to keep your browser up to date, especially if you are using part of the Google family. Only because a lot of those, they've been really kind of monitoring and trying to prevent people from hacking into accounts. So, all right. So we're going to grab this one. This one's fun. We're going to throw it right in there. And then now if you double click on it, you can see it's actually a rectangle, but I'm working in vertical format. So we're going to put it so we can see the computer. And then I think what I'm going to do, let's go back to this one. We're going to make this just bigger because I kind of want the computers to be the graphic. Now, here's the thing. I don't need this 16 seconds, so I am going to back this up. I'm going to make this like 7. There we go. And that's the best part, is that you really can, you know, tweak this all, change it as you need it. So let's watch again from the beginning. So, introduction to Canva. I'm going to put the link. Be like, here you go. Look, I'm showing you how to sort. So don't know if I love this one, but that's okay. I can change it. I can say, all right, let's put this one in there. It's got a person, right? Make it a little more. Okay. All right. How about this one? Again, this is the fun part. You can play with these. You can kind of look around. See which makes sense. Let's just put a computer. Let's see what we get. Let's do laptop. And again, this is the fun of these kind of projects, right? Like you can change it. You can change it depending on who is going to be seeing this. You know, you can adjust that. So let's see. I kind of dig that. That's kind of fun. And then here. Let's see if we can find one about building a website. I wonder if they have any of their own videos. Nope, they don't. I thought, you know what, let's look. So for the last one, let's put in printed materials. Let's see what that looks like. Now, the other thing that's really cool about Canva is that you can create just about anything you're looking for. So if you are, let's say, a dance studio, or you are someone who is starting your own business and you're going to have to sell tickets for something, you could go in and, oh, I love this one here. Let's use this one instead. You could go in and create your own, let's say, tickets for the show. You could, you know what I mean? Like, the possibilities are truly endless as to what you can and can't do. So let me just shorten this because I only wanted about 7 seconds. So let's see how that looks here. Oop, it scans off them, so we want to go like that. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, because we don't want to lose them. And then let's show. That one's cool. This one looks like somebody's shipping orders. Let's see. Oh, this is fun. So look, there they are, packaging up orders. Totally fun. Now I am going to throw on in here, I do have, in my upload file, I do have my company logo. So be sure to always brand yourself. So you can see, there we go, boom. And then, let's go to this one. We're going to add some text. And again, I was playing with the different videos, and the first couple times you do this, you'll probably do that too. Also adding more, so be sure to subscribe. Right, because you want to make sure that you're telling people what you're doing, why do they care, you know, stuff like that. So we'll just stretch that up a little. Now we know we can't move that because that's where our other text is going to be. So we'll probably do something like that. There we go. That's nice. Because remember, all that stuff kind of lines up over here. There's stuff down here. So good to keep it kind of like this. On our YouTube channel. More are coming soon. Right? So we can do something just that easy. And again, we're just trying to keep this quick, professional, but yet look better than just a random picture. And they are saying that a lot of what is going on right now is that people want to see animation. So there we go. Right? So that's fun. Wonder if I can get that all in that first line. There we go. See that? What are you waiting for, right? That's fun. We can change the font. I can change the font on part of it. I can change the color on some of it. There we go. Alright, so let's start this from the beginning. Super cool. Alright, now the big trick is you need to leave this all under about 15 seconds. So we're just going to make this 6. Now we're at 14. So that is good. Now here's the best part, right? Now this one's done. So that took us a couple of minutes. So from here I can go ahead and share this. So I can share it right to social media. I can actually download this, which is what I think I'm going to do. And when you go through and download, you decide what you want it as. Well, I want a video, right? Because I'm going to upload that. And what I'm going to do is all 3 pages. And you say, what are pages? This is 1 page, 2 page, 3 page that all are put together to make a video. They already in between, you can see this tiny little, right there, see that? Those are actually your transitions. So if you wanted to see change transition, you could go in and say, well, I don't want it to slide, I want it to wipe, I want it to fall. So you can actually choose how you want it to swipe and change between. Super cool, lots of fun, right? So don't forget to do that too. But again, start with a template. Took me, what, 5 to 10 minutes? So if I had a good hour, I could crank out the whole month's worth of 1 a week, maybe 2 here and there. But I could go through and create a ton of these. So let's go ahead and we're going to download this one. And again, I want it as an MP4 video. I'm going to download that. And it's going to save it to my download folder, which is great, right? It takes a few moments for it to process, but it produces a very high resolution video that now I can go out, upload into my Instagram or my Twitter or Facebook, whatever. Obviously, if I was going to do this for Facebook or Twitter, I'm going to remove this because I can't necessarily put a hyperlink on there, so I might change the way it looks a little bit. But again, you already have the core, so you can work from this, create a Twitter version, an Instagram version, and a Facebook where they all feel similar, but yet look different. And that's really fun because if you have customers who subscribe to all of your things, you're going to be able to go back in and say to them, you know, or they're going to see it when they log in. If they subscribe to all your stuff, they're going to say, wait, I think I've seen that before. And I know it was I better go look at what she's doing, right? So this could be a really great way, like if you are getting ready to launch a product. Maybe you make 5 videos, 1 for each day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday your product launches. Go in, make all 5 of these right here, right? And then if you have the pro version, you could schedule them. So basically in here, I'd say share on social media, and then see this really cool schedule right here. If I click on that, watch, I actually say, well, I want to schedule this on the 29th at 6:09 p.m. I'm just, go with what it is, right? Hit next, and then from there I can choose what I want. So if I have my Facebook, my Instagram, my YouTube, my whatever associated, I would choose that, and then I say, am I doing the whole thing, just one of the 3, right? Because maybe we're only going to launch page 1 of these 3. So you have a lot of choices. You can write your full caption, including all of your hashtags, and then you can actually schedule it, and when it's ready, it will just go automatically for you. So again, this is one of those, if you have a 2-hour block of window where you're like, I know the kids are gone, I need to focus on my social media, this is an awesome way to do it because you can literally go through and hammer out a bunch of these, have them look very professional, and still stay with the continuity of your company. So I hope this helped you. It is something that I am working on for 2023 for myself. Typically, I've always made a lot of one-off social media. And I realized I did a YouTube challenge this last year, which is why you've seen some changes and some exciting movement in my YouTube channel. I'm getting ready to change Jessica Lynn Original Studios or jessicalynoriginal.com over this next 2023. And it's going to incorporate a lot more education, training, anything that has to do with graphic design, instruction. I am an educator, so I love being able to share education. It is also going to have all my artwork. I'm going to have stamps, as well as something I have been working on this last year that I can't wait to share pieces of it with you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It has been just a fun labor of love that I have gotten to share my knowledge and hopefully be able to help you. And if you have any questions or want me to share any other things that I have learned through Canva, by all means, please go ahead and toss me a message, email, or go ahead and comment down below because I would love to hear from you. I will be continuing this series, so be sure to subscribe for more. Just know if you do subscribe, though, I also share a lot of fun art, adventures, as well as any other sort of creative that I can get my hands on because I love to sew and paint and everything else. So, I look forward to seeing you again. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day. Take care, everybody.